Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Vanity, and I have a get ready with me video for you today. You're going to need a comb for this hairstyle, also some Beach Babe texturizing spray, and some rubber bands. I'm just going to spray my hair all over with this spray on both sides in order to have good hold. Now I'm just going to part my hair down the middle. And comb each side out so that it can lay flat. By parting your hair down the middle, you can have these same size braids on each side. So if that's what you're looking for with this Milkmaid Braid look, then do it the same way I've done it. Now I'm just going to take some pieces out from the front of my hair. Now I'm just going to start to braid my hair. Now I'm going to use one of those rubber bands and I'm just going to wrap it around my hair. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, just create a braid. Now once again I'm just going to tie it with one of the rubber bands. Now I'm going to stretch out my braids so that they can be fuller. Just gonna do that on both sides until I get the stretch that I want on both sides. Now I'm going to start to place one braid across the front of my head And I'm just going to pin that down. I'm going to make sure I place the bobby pin in a way that secures the braid and also makes it easy for me to cover with the other braid that I'm going to put on top of it. Now I'm just going to take that other braid and put it right over the first braid in order to cover the elastic and the bobby pin. Now I'm just gonna make sure that the bobby pins and the rubber bands are not showing as much as I can. And that is how you achieve a Milkmaid braid. For the two pieces I divided in the front, I'm going to curl them. And I'm just going to straighten them out with my brush and then use my curling wand in order to create a very nice curl. The key to this is to make sure that the hair is flat on the wand. That usually gives me the best curls. And there goes my first curl. Now I'm just going to do the same thing for the other side. And there goes my second curl. And that's the final look. Now for my makeup, I'm going to use this NYX Land of Lollies, and I'm going to go into this orange look eyeshadow. And I'm just going to apply it all over my movable lid, slowly building up the color. This is a very subtle orange. Now I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side, slowly building up that nice pigment. Now I'm going to go into that bright yellow, and I'm just going to blend it right in to the orange, placing it right above, and then slowly blending it together. Now I'm going to apply some on the sides, almost creating like a sunset effect on my eyes. Now I'm just going to do the same thing on the other eye. I'm just going to continue to blend until I get the effect that I'm looking for. For eyeliner, I'm going to use my Sephora eyeliner. I'm just going to go for a very light, small line. Now I'm just gonna do the same thing for the other side, nothing too dramatic, just a basic line with a very small wing at the end. Now I'm going to go in with my Cate lashes from Shopmissa and this Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. And I'm going to apply a very thin layer on them, and with my tweezers I'm going to get them as close to the lash line as possible. Now I'm just going to make sure that the lashes are secure by pressing them down and adjusting them with my tweezers. Now I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. Now for foundation, I'm going to go in with Fit Me Maybelline powder foundation, and I'm going to use this fluffy powder brush. I'm slowly going to build up the color, and this is a medium coverage foundation. I'm just gonna go in circular motions all over my face until I get the desired result that I want with this powder. Now I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer and just apply some right on my under eyes in order to correct any darkness. And I'm going to use this disposable triangle sponge to blend that out. I'm going to go in with my LA Color contour kit and set it with that white color. And I'm just going to remove any excess with that brush that I had gone in with for my foundation. I'm going to go back into that orange color and apply it on my lower lash line. Lower waterline, in order to complement the entire look. Now I'm going to go in with my Clinique Chubby Stick as blush, and I'm just going to apply it on the apples of my cheeks. And I'm going to blend it out with a disposable triangle sponge. Now I'm going to use this AOA highlighter. And I'm just going to use this little brush in order to apply it all above my blush. On both sides, and I'm also going to apply it on my nose, on my cupid's bow, and on my chin. For lipstick, I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills cream lipstick in the color Bang. And this is my final look. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at HeyVanity21. Goodbye.